Welcome to Academica Lab Solutions. The VNA 3000 is a personal computer-driven vector network analyzer capable of operating over the range of 1 MHz to 3 GHz. It incorporates S-parameter test set, allowing direct measurements of forward and reverse parameters. This VNA module is an integral part of our antenna and RF laboratory, as it is used to quickly and accurately validate the performance of the RF components and devices that are supplied along with the lab. Calibration of VNA. In this, we introduce the students to calibration of vector network analyzer. One-path, two-port calibration is used for measurements of the device under test parameters in one direction. Example, S11 and S21. This method involves connection of the three calibration standards to port 1 and connection of a through standard between port 1 and port 2. Refer the figure. Install the software and follow the procedure as explained in the manual. This calibration technique permits the accurate measurement of the device characteristics and compensates for the effects of the cable and connector properties on the measurement. Measurement of a single port device like an antenna using our VNA 3000 module. Here we validate the performance of the antenna by measuring the return loss, bandwidth, VSWR and impedance using our VNA 3000 module. Connect port 1 of VNA to port of the TMS-A antenna. Select the reflection mode in the software. Set the start frequency to 2.2 GHz and stop frequency to 2.6 GHz. Run single scan for reflection measurement. The display window will show the return loss of the TMS-A antenna. Insert markers by clicking on the data plot to study the response of the plot with respect to the frequency. Refer graph of return loss. Here we see that the minimal return loss is at 2.42 GHz, which means this is the resonating frequency of the antenna under test. Now insert markers 1 and 2 to measure the bandwidth of the antenna. Here we see that the antenna has a bandwidth of 81 MHz. To observe the VSWR, select the SWR option on the software as shown. Here we see that the minimum VSWR for this antenna is 1.06. Observe the impedance of the antenna. Select the Mod Z option on the software as shown. Here, we see the best impedance matching at 2.42 GHz. To observe the Smith chart, click on the Smith chart option as shown. Here you see the magnitude and imaginary part of the TMS-A antenna. There is a facility to save the plots in JPEG format and data in CSV format for future reference and processing. Measurement of any two-port device like filters. Here we validate the performance of the lumped low-pass filter by measuring the transmission and reflection coefficient, that is S21 and S11. Connect port 1 of VNA to port 1 of the lumped LPF and port 2 of the LPF to port 2 of VNA. As shown, select the transmission mode in the software to plot the S21 insertion loss. Set the start frequency to 1 MHz and stop frequency to 1 GHz. Run single scan. The display window will show the transmission coefficient S21 of the lumped LPF. Insert markers as shown and measure the 3 dB cutoff frequency of lumped LPF, which is seen at 425 MHz. Now, select the reflection mode in the software. Run the single scan. The display window will show the S11 return loss of the device under test. From both the plots, we can validate the design parameters of the LPF. All frequencies below -10 dB will be in the pass band and above -10 dB will be in the stop band. Thank you for watching this video. For any further information, please feel free to contact us at info@academica.in or WhatsApp at 9004 90 4462.